guys, here we have a 52-inch Casablanca Zephyr, variable speed, in antique brass with a single fitter on it. You may have seen this in my restore video. I actually don't frequent this restore all too often because typically they don't have anything too good, but I guess this time I was wrong. Actually, another collector told me about it, Dan, because he was in the area checking out restores. Kind of glad you left this for me. I've always wanted something slumber quiet, and since I'm doing a video, obviously slumber quiet works. I added the single fitter. It came from my Victorian 2. It originally came with a forearm light kit with alabaster shades that I think actually looked alright on it. It kind of kept the fan from being dated. Anyways, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it. With the light kit that I had before, it came with the Casablanca pole, but I decided to leave the tassel because I actually prefer that between the two. So we have fan, light, and then bolt. When I got this fan, the bearings were pretty noisy, but just a little bit of oil quieted them down significantly. It actually runs much better now. I didn't adjust the low speed trim. I didn't actually even look for it. I think the only reason I opened up the switch cap was to change the light kit. That's how I got it. Obviously, it didn't run on low speed because the bearings were so dried up. Alright, let's reach it back some. Do about a quarter of a turn so it's pointing straight up. I don't know how much of a difference it'll make. Also, when I got this fan, it seemed like it was sitting on like a pile or something, kind of like one of my other restores I frequent, because all the blades were bent kind of upward. In the attempt to bend them back, the brackets did split up a little bit toward the motor mount area, but nothing too bad where I can't use it. Another quarter return. Yeah, one thing I do love about slumber quiet is, the beautiful aesthetic low speed you get. Great range of speeds. Really, it's a great system when it does work. But unfortunately, it has a tendency to burn up. Hang true is in pretty rough condition. It's really pitted, especially toward the ceiling. Or, where it would mount to a ceiling, so toward the top of it. Another quarter turn, so we're pointing at about 3 o'clock. This fan is from 1983. I'll get the exact year in the description. There's more of your, a little bit faster than your typical Casablanca low speed. I've been wanting a Zephyr for quite a while. So I guess my next step is to get something K63. Yeah, when I got this, it was in pretty rough shape, but I think it cleaned up really nicely. The blades were really dull, a little bit of finish, or furniture polish really cleaned those up. The housing is pretty good too. Another quarter return. It does still have a slight wobble to it, but nothing too noticeable. It's better than when it was. It's about 6 o'clock. reasonable medium speed. A quarter of a turn. Get closer to high. Another thing is that these blades are actually thinner than normal blades. Normal blades are about a quarter of an inch. These are closer to probably I'd say about 3/8 of an inch, which is just a little more than half the thickness of a standard blade if you don't know common measurements. High. Let's see how we can. Yeah, again, slight wobble. Good breeze though. Fantastic. While I'm at it, the blades are not in perfect alignment. Again, some of the arms are starting to crack a little bit, so I decided to ease off for the balancing and just deal with the slight wobble. I do have another set of Zephyr arms, but they're not exactly the same. I don't know if you can see it or not. It does have a spiral down rod. Cute little 3-inch one. Yeah, I think the fitter fits it nicely. I was gonna put a K4L on it, but that's in use and I don't really wanna. It would be pretty simple to change, but I just didn't feel like going through the hassle. Anyways, there's a Casablanca Zephyr, Slumber Quiet. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.